Hey all, this is Paaskala. I promised you all to make a movie about how the desk works, and well, now it's me sitting down. Now it's simple. I'm sitting down like maybe a few hours, got a little bit of back problems, or I just feel like standing up. Now this is what you're gonna do. Stand up. And now we can work. Adjust the screens a little bit. However you want them to be, no problem. Now this is basically how the desk works. So now I'm getting back my camera and gonna do some filming of the desk itself. Done. Okay, well, the lights are on, a little bit dimmed. Go take a look inside. Move the keyboard a little bit. Okay. Fan spinning. These are intakes, so they're blowing the air inside the desk, and the rods are taking the air out on the left and the right side. Well, you don't see this good enough. Well, this was my movie for the desk, and I wish everybody happy holidays. See you next time.